This is Morgan White, and today we will be discussing some of the issues that concern both the freedom of speech and mass media. Free speech has become an umbrella term that is used by less than informed citizens to justify the exploitation of more specific rights such as the freedom of expression or the freedom to information. As stated on socialmediaexaminer.com, freedom of speech does not give someone the right to say whatever they want, whenever, wherever, and to whomever they want to say it. In fact, the right to free speech means, quote, that you are allowed to express yourself without interference or constraint by the government, end quote. Types of speech that are considered prohibited by the government are fighting words and anything that advocates illegal activity. Limitations have been placed on certain forms of speech, such as commercial speech, obscenity, defamation, profanity, and copyrighted, trademarked, or patented material. TheGuardian.com states that the term fighting words basically describes speech that is, quote, likely to produce imminent lawless action, end quote. TheGuardian.com goes on to explain that the censorship of fighting words is, quote, an old legal dilemma to which technology is giving new complexity. How police, prosecutors, judges, and legislators react to it will influence the way social media affect the practical exercise of freedoms of association, assembly, and expression in the future, end quote. Mass media has presented unforeseen challenges in which individuals and corporations may use the internet or other platforms to exercise free speech. Should the organizations that host the platform be allowed to censor and restrict material that violates the standards of free speech? According to library.yale.edu, it is our human right to, quote, freely express one's knowledge, interpretations, and opinions, end quote. However, sometimes certain governments, corporations, or unofficial groups, quote, create conditions in which people perform self-censorship for their own safety and well-being, end quote. Should people be afraid to post certain things on their social media accounts? Is it right for them to be let go from their jobs if their employers are not pleased by what has been posted? We are all privileged to express ourselves without the censorship of our government or other organizations. However, we should use this gift with wisdom and purpose. Being physically removed from conversations or posts that are distributed via the internet or social media platforms does not eliminate our responsibility to use free speech in appropriate, respectful, and constructive ways. Once again, this is Morgan White speaking about issues concerning free speech and how they can relate to mass media or social media. Thank you.